Welcome to this new weekly update on the Baguette Investor channel. Today we're gonna see if we survived this crash or not. I hope you did. I hope you survived this big, it was roughly 20% drop, I believe. So we're just gonna start with the TA on Bitcoin. We had this very obvious daily level that was right here. We tried to break out, we did not. It was ugly drop. It went very fast with very high volume, so people selling. And right now we're in a nice situation on the weekly. So if you just take a look at the weekly and the close, it looks nice. What we might see is either Bitcoin ranging right there, and if it can keep ranging and maybe break out in the future on the weekly above. You know, I don't know if you're new to this channel, but I did enter on this candle right here. I entered on October 19th. So I'm already in nice profits on my portfolio. We'll show you my portfolio just right after. But for me right now, there's nothing frightening at the moment. For things to get frightening, we need to break out of this and start going down. And then we could see a big drop. But even a big drop, we could have 1 month or 1.5 months of bear market would not mean the market turning bearish for the whole year. We can have a strong correction without the market turning bearish. It's just possible. You need to be prepared for that. You need to have your risk management set for big drops like that. What's more interesting is the total too. So this is the whole market, cryptocurrency market cap. So you can clearly see that we are in a bull market since September of 2020. And we are still in the bull market. As you can see, the drop that we had, what was it, yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday or 2 days ago, I can't remember. Well, this drop did not mean many things for the bull market. As you can see, we're having a nice bull market with drops, and those drops happen very often. You see, you have one here, you have one here, you have a small drop here, and you need to have a strategy that works when there are big events like that, because that was not a big event. A big event is, I don't know if you were there during that period, but it's March 2020, that kind of red candle where Bitcoin drops 50% in one day. That's a big event, and you need to have big balls to survive that. But that is a small drop, man. You can't be taken out by those small drops. This is the altcoin index. So it tracks the big capitalization altcoins to give you an idea of how frequent those drops are. As you can see, in the matter from November, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 drops. So you can't say that this kind of thing is rare. You can't say that this kind of thing will... Oh, sorry, I got my alarm clock. We can say that this kind of thing is never happens and all that stuff. It happens every single time, and you need to be prepared for that. If you want to know how to be prepared for that, in the future I'll do risk management tutorials, and risk management allows you to have a strategy that protects you from your portfolio going from 100 to 0 in the case of a drop. So as you can see right there, I'm gonna remove the thing. We have nothing is bearish right now. This is a correction. This is normal, and you can't be bearish on that. For me to turn bearish, we need to fail getting above the previous level, and we need to make new lows and make a new bearish structure. Right now this is not bearish, guys. This is absolutely not bearish. I'm not saying there will never be bearish configuration. I'm not saying that this drop does not mean the end of the bull market. I'm saying that people who say so right now are just too early. It's too early to tell. We can also look at the small caps. You can see the small caps had a nice drop, but it still remains very bullish. So no worries. I told you last time about the Bitcoin market dominance, and you can see we bounced on this support level on the market cap dominance. We'll see what happens. I just wanted also to show you what my portfolio value. So this is my portfolio value. I started with invested 15,000 euros, and now I'm at let's say 40,000 euros. So it's a great progression, and you can see the drops. Where there's my mouse here, you can see the small drops, the corrections of the market, and that happens. And right now, I don't believe my portfolio is going to go back down, because if it does so, I'll cut my positions and take my profit to stay at a gain right now. But it happens all the time, guys. So be prepared for that. If you want to know how to be prepared for big drops like that and have a strategy that protects you from losing all your profits in one drop, please tell me in the comments if you'd like to have more information about that. I gladly share with you what I learned on my time on the market. Let's review a little bit my positions, because I think it might be interesting. I had this position that got taken out. So I bought on this breakout right here, and when the profits can come a little bit, I raised my stop loss to my entry level, and you can see that here the price went to my entry level. So I'm taken out of this position without any gains, without any loss. I'm just sad because I think it's going to go back up, but it's risk management. This one also, I'm still in, nothing to worry about. TROY, I'm still in, and it's not that bullish, but can still go up, so I'm not selling. PRL made a nice correction. I'm waiting for any decision points, but right now I'm not selling. SXP is looking very nice. If you look at the BTC pair, you can see that it's amazing. We are above the previous resistance, managed to close above even with the... Shut the fuck up, Siri. Managed to close above, so yeah, really nice. And also on my small caps, I have a few great positions, for example, like FIRO, I don't know how you call it in your language, that I bought and still going up. So you can see this market is not bearish, guys. It's not bearish. Please mind that it's not bearish yet. Okay. So I hope you had a few informations. Hope you did not panic. Hope you survived this drop. If you did not, study your trading, get better. I know you can do it, guys. We all went through this period of losing every time from making money. So yeah, good luck on your trading, and have a nice week. Goodbye.